Today we're going to be installing these turn signals from Lasfit. They are model 5919 LED bulbs. We're going to replace the existing bulb with these new bulbs. We're going to do this by taking out the whole housing. So I'm going to show you here how to get to your housing. So there's a cover plate that you'll need to remove. Also, there are two 10mm bolts, one up top and one towards the bottom. Get you a deep socket 10mm. Simply loosen each bolt. After you've loosened each bolt, you should be able to get them off by hand very easily. I'd recommend unscrewing them by hand once you've loosened them up, just so you don't drop them and lose them inside this housing area. Once you remove these two bolts, you'll disconnect the main wiring harness pin. Simply push in to relieve and simply pull that away. Now you're able to pull the housing out on the tail light. Okay, there's that housing. And for this bulb, the turn signal location is up top. You'll simply twist, remove the bulb, pull out the existing bulb, grab your Lasfit bulb. As you see, these connector pins will line up with your connector pins on the inside of this bulb. Just make sure you're lining those pins up correctly so that the connection is good. You heard that snap into place. Simply install the bulb. Once you've installed the bulb, you'll twist back into place. You heard that snap. Now you can enter this light fixture back. Line it up. Right, everything's lined back up. Once everything's tightened up like it should be, take your main connecting wire and plug it back in. Reinstall your cover. This will snap back into place. Right, perfect. And that is it for the turn signal install. Thank you for sending me the turn signals, and we'll give you a quick demonstration of how they work. All right, that's nice and bright. That is our new 5919 Lasfit LED turn signal bulb. I have to say, I'm very happy with those results. Much brighter than my existing bulb. So I highly recommend these bulbs for anybody looking to brighten it up a little bit and make it look nice and clean. Thank you.